Hi, good morning. So today I'm going to be having a breakfast burrito. It's just going to be 2 slices of bacon, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of this cheddar jack cheese, and these are the tortillas I'll be using with a little bit of salsa, and this would be my breakfast for today. So I will start by cooking my bacon. I cut it in, so this is just 2 slices of bacon. I cut it in half. And then after I'm done with the bacon, I shake the grease because I use that to cook other foods throughout the week. So here I chopped up the 2 slices of bacon. This is the grease. So this grease, the bacon grease, you want to save it. Don't throw it away because you can use this to cook other meals throughout the week. So in the same pan that we cooked the bacon, you're going to cook your eggs. I'm gonna heat up my tortilla and make myself a burrito. So here's my breakfast burrito. This is 7 net carbs. We have 20 grams of fat and 25 grams of protein. The tortilla is 6 net carbs, and the eggs, 2 eggs is 1 net carb, so that equals 7 net carbs, 20 grams of fat, 25 grams of protein, and this is gonna so the second burrito we're gonna be making today is gonna be longaniza with eggs and queso fresco. So this is the tortillas I'm gonna be using. These are la banderita, and these are 16 carbs minus the fiber. So carbs minus the fibers. This is 5 net carbs. This longaniza, you can check right there. And then we're going to be having some queso fresco in there and 2 eggs. So it's going to be okay. So we're just going to be using half of a link. So just this half. You want to remove the casing right here. You want to cook your longaniza. Once you see that your longaniza has cooked up a little, you're going to add your egg. Oh. Add your egg. So my longaniza with eggs is ready. I just added a little bit of cilantro on there because I love cilantro, so I topped it up with a little bit of cilantro. And I'm going to warm up my tortilla, make myself a burrito, and add the queso fresco on top. So I like my burrito nice and toasty, so I like to put it on my comal or griddle, whatever you have. This one came out. So I like that nice little crunchy. So have it. Burrito. So it is longaniza with eggs and queso fresco. I added the queso fresco on there, and I added a little bit of cilantro on there, and I do like that nice little crunchy on my tortilla. Have it. This is the longaniza and egg burrito. Today we're going to be making a sausage burrito. So this is the sausage. This is from Aldi. The eggs and tablespoon of any cheese that you have. And this says the tortillas we're going to be using. This is the la banderita. And these are 16 total carbs minus a fiber, so it's 5 net carbs. See right there. That's what the sausage looks like. So we're gonna let it cook a little bit, and then once it starts cooking, we're gonna break it up with the spatula. So you pull it up, and like this. There we go. And now I'm going to throw 1 minute on the